Well, good morning, everybody. I'm William Brantley from the Bemis, South Jackson, Tennessee area, reporting to you the weather this morning on Wednesday, October 12th, 2016. And as of about 7 o'clock this morning, the skies were mostly cloudy at that time. The temperature was 53 at that time. It has risen to 55 at the moment. We had a relative humidity of 72% and southeast winds at 3 miles per hour at 7 a.m. Otherwise, the skies should become pretty fair, though, before very long. There's just a small area of clouds giving us mostly cloudy skies, small area of clouds. There's a bigger area of clouds up in Missouri moving toward Kentucky that may give a few more clouds in the northern parts of West Tennessee, but most of them should stay to our north, at least as of an hour ago, the way it looked. Otherwise, we're going to have a nice day today. I believe I mentioned, although this morning was 51, high temperature yesterday was 86 degrees here in the Bemis Jackson area, and that turned out to be the hottest for the whole state of Tennessee. So congratulations, Bemis and Jackson, for being the hottest in the state for yesterday. Otherwise, it looks like we're going to have generally fair skies today. Like I mentioned, we should have a high today of about 83 degrees. We should have south winds about 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then on your Thursday, it's going to be mostly cloudy all day, probably, with maybe a 20% chance of an isolated shower here and there, but really no big deal. Our low should be about 56 degrees tomorrow morning. Our high should be about 68. We should have north winds at about 10 to 20. And finally, on Friday, it's going to be mostly cloudy again, with a good chance for rain and possibly thunderstorms at this time. 80% chance at this time for that. The main hours will be between about 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. to expect that on an occasional basis. It should be clearing, though, toward about 8, 9 o'clock Friday night to become fair. The low temperature should be near 53, the high about 74, and we'll have southeast winds at 5 to 10. And on your Saturday, it's going to be mostly fair, with a low near 57, a high of 83, with south winds at 10 to 20. And on your Sunday, mostly fair skies once more, with a low near 63 and a high of 83, with south winds at 10 to 20. And generally speaking, it's going to be generally fair for the most part, most next week, and our next chance for rain after Friday's will come probably next Friday, the 20th, 21st rather, when we have a chance then, but it'll be fair skies in between. Well, that's a look at your forecast in a brief summary, sort of, and I hope that helps you in several different ways to plan your activities accordingly. And I hope you have a very pleasant day today, and hope to talk to you again later on this afternoon. So signing off for now. I hope everybody has a pleasant day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.